and turn up that bass down. And when the popo
bitches reviews, kind of had a little bit of an issue. Put my son down for a nap and curled up next to me. Next thing I know, it's 5 o'clock and I'm waking up. My wife's calling me wondering where I'm at because she's off work. So I had to haul butt, go get her, and try to get everything ready to get out, fly a little bit. I did get some flight time in, but it wasn't the best. The only one that come out pretty good was the Syma X8 because it was a lot of daylight. But when it got pretty far out there to the field, and I lost control of it, you know, which I probably overseeded the limit of the distance of the remote. Luckily, it landed because we thought, by the looks of it, it went to the bushes. Well, luckily it didn't. It landed right before the bush, right in front of the bushes. So I do got video of that. We started recording me flying it, and I decided to go a different direction with it to get view of the pond and stuff like that, and the video got cut off, so I wasn't able to really get a lot of video of me flying it and showing the performance of it. But overall, that thing is amazing. I love the way that thing flies. I flew the H-26. I'm not very impressed. The only thing that I'm impressed with is the fact that you can turn the camera and you can operate the camera directly from the remote. That's really the only thing that I'm impressed with. When you fly, especially at night or when it's getting dark, you know, it's not completely nighttime, but the sun's going down. The lights on the blade guards interfere with the camera. They flash and you can see it. No matter which direction you point the camera, you can see it, and it flashes right there, and it makes the picture turn out like crap. So I'm gonna have to unplug the front ones just to get good videos. Tried to fly the Venom Pro, but for some reason the battery didn't last long. I mean, it was like dead instantly. So I don't understand that. Like, as soon as I turned it on, I got the app going, it said I had like 18% battery. I went to do the follow me function, and as soon as I turned it on, it come right at me and hit me, bounced off of me, and then took off. And then it followed, you know, of course, with the distance I had it set too close, so you couldn't really, you could see it falling, but, you know, it was dark, so I just didn't even bother with it. But out of all three of them that I've flown tonight, the X8HG is perfect. I mean, these things, for the price you pay for these, are great. You know, I'm glad that I got a discount on them. I would be willing to pay full price for one because you can't beat it. I wish it was a Pro because the Pro's got more options, but the camera on this one is great. I mean, I really don't have no complaints about the X8. The only thing I wish it would have is the where you can control the camera from the remote, you know, as far as adjustments go. And it don't let you really, you have to unscrew it to be able to adjust it, and it's a kind of tedious job to be able to get it to adjust. It's not like the 506 where you just turn a knob and it adjusts and you tighten it back up, boom, done. It's not like that. You actually have to take a screwdriver to this one. You know, but overall, you know, like I said, everything's going to have its pros and its cons. The Syma X8HG is worth the money. I do agree. I mean, it's perfect. Another thing I wish it had FPV. You know, where it would live feed directly to the phone. If it had that, I mean, this thing would be just awesome if it had the live feed to the phone, so that way you can see what you were doing. But it doesn't. The only two that do that I flew today were the H26 and the Venom Pro. And like I said, the Venom Pro didn't last long. It didn't get good video, so there's no point even posting it. The H26, it got decent video, but the lights in the front were flashing so much that they're too close to the camera, and it bothers the camera. Excuse me, I don't know why I'm so tired. I took a pretty good nap, but so that's my issue with that. A lot of times I'm gonna have to unplug. If you get one, don't plug in the front protectors. Put them on, that's for sure, but unplug the front ones. Keep the back ones. That way you can tell which direction you are anyway, because it's flashing. That's in the back. Because it is, once it's up in the air, it's hard to tell which direction, because it doesn't have nothing that tells you what. It's not like one color's different than the other. They all flash the same color. God, excuse me. But they all flash the same color, so you can't really tell which way is which when you got it up in the air. Hopefully, we'll see. We're supposed to get rain tomorrow again. We'll see how that goes. Maybe not. If we don't, then I'll get some more flight time in and actually try to do review videos. Either that or Tuesday, because my wife's off Tuesday, and I'll see if maybe she can actually, be there for the video and videotape me flying them as I'm doing everything. But we'll see how it goes. Oh my God. Oh, wow, I am tired. I mean, holy crap. Today's is one of them days. I mean, I feel like crap. Like, I literally had to force myself to get out there and fly today. It was bad. And unfortunately, I wasted the whole damn day and didn't get out there until almost 7 o'clock. Which, at that point, there's really no point even flying them, trying to get video or anything, because it's too dark. So, up, yawning. I mean, come on. But anyway, so the Syma got some good video. It did pretty decent. I said next time I get a chance to get them out, I'll definitely start with. I have to start with the Aero Acrobat, then the M72, then the H98, then the 506. Then the H26, the F10++, and then the Syma, since it was the last one that come in. The Venom Pro, I'm not really doing a review on. I might do a little bit about it, but it's one of them ones I just purchased on a whim. I paid full price for just to see what it could do. It's supposed to be a GPS, and for the price, $88 at Walmart for a GPS drone. That's not, can't really, it says it does everything, a lot of these GPS drones can do, but so far I haven't been impressed with it, and I haven't been able to actually get the GPS to function properly. But we'll play it by ear, see how things go, and we'll go from there. But y'all have a great day. Ryan Knight signing out. Here's some video from the X8. I'm telling you, it is great. Still a few little issues, with me trying to work out, trying to fly it. I'm still getting used to it. I got all these other ones I gotta get used to. It's crazy. All the controls are different. You know, some of them are the same, but you know, when I first got into it, I thought all of them did the same thing. In fact, I posted a video, usually the same way, to calibrate, you know, all that. And no, it's not. You know, the more I get into this, the more I learn that every one of them is set up differently. So here's the video. Here's the videos that were took from the X8, and watch how close it goes when I lose control of it and have no response from the remote at all, because I kept trying to get it to go up high above the tree line so I could actually see it to bring it back, but it would not. I mean, I had no control. It started spinning, the whole works. So here's the video of it. It's pretty long, but it's beautiful. I mean, the camera is awesome on this thing. So enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys later.